a homeschool mom who wants to reclaim your confidence, style, energy, and self-care without compromising your role as a teacher and nurturer? Then this video is for you. Hello, hello, hello. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kiana Thomas, homeschooling mom of six, passionate about homeschooling, faith, and family, and your guide on this homeschooling journey. Let's be honest, homeschooling is beautiful, but it can also be draining. Somewhere between the math lessons, dishes, diapers, etc., we start to feel like we as an individual have disappeared. But today's video, again, is all about the homeschool mom glow up, how to look and feel your best while showing up for your family. Stay tuned. We're talking self-care, mindset, energy, and simple style tips without adding stress or so much to your day. So let's glow up. Now, I know you guys may say, Kiana, what are you talking about? What is a homeschool mom glow up? Let's talk about what a glow up means. It's not just about putting on makeup and cute outfits, although that definitely helps you feel your best, right? When you look good, you feel good. But it's about showing up for yourself the same intentional way that you show up for your kids. A glow up is a mindset shift. It's going from surviving to thriving. You know, we sit and we plan lessons in advance and we make sure we're doing all the things for our kids. But when it comes to homeschooling, how we feel and look, that often gets overlooked. It's about looking in the mirror and saying, I matter too. Honoring your temple and your body, your mind and your spirit. Because again, when you feel good, your whole home feels the shift. Everyone benefits. When you are your best, you show up differently. So let's talk about the first pillar, morning grounding. We're going to go through this in different steps. We're going to start with the mornings because we all know that mornings can be chaotic. But even with just 15 minutes to ground yourself, this makes a huge difference. So again, you'll hear me constantly say, start your morning with prayer or devotion. Include stretching and movement, even while making breakfast. Then get dressed. Yes, even into comfy, cute clothes, setting your intention for the day. It can be something simple, relaxing, but you want to put something on, not walk around in your pajamas all day. Get dressed from your head to your feet. When you wake up and connect with God first, the day doesn't just run you. You lead it with peace and purpose. That's why it's so important to start your day with God. Let's talk about the pillar two, routines, feeling good. We're going to talk about what that means. It isn't just about adding more onto your plate. Again, I want this a simple, streamlined process, but it's about building simple rhythms that help you feel energized, confident, and cared for. It helps you feel like you matter. So you can create a 5-minute skincare routine, daily water and vitamins, walk with the kids or without the kids, daily dance breaks or lessons, beauty boosts, lip gloss, earrings, affirmations. Even just a little effort goes a long way in helping you show up. You deserve to feel pretty and polished and powerful. Yes, even while teaching phonics. Again, you matter. Right, pillar three, simple style with purpose. Can we talk about homeschool mom style for just a second? You don't have to choose between cute and comfy. Build a capsule wardrobe. You can mix and match basics. Add a statement piece. It can be earrings, a head wrap, a cardigan, etc. Create a go-to outfit. This is a formula for homeschool days that are stressful, but you can still look cute. Dress like the woman that you're becoming, not the role that you're currently feeling. Okay, dress up. Style is an outward reflection of how you feel. It doesn't have to be expensive or even elaborate. just intentional. On to part 4, reset. This is the heart of the glow up, your mindset. You can wear the outfit, do the skincare, drink the smoothie, but if you're carrying guilt, comparison, or burnout, it will show. So release perfectionism. Okay, let go of the comparison. Instead, embrace grace and speak over yourself. God didn't call you to homeschool just to be exhausted. You are his daughter. Before you are their teacher, your glow up starts inside. Here are some bonuses, resources, and some freebies. I created something to help you kickstart your glow up journey. A homeschool mom glow up checklist. It's simple. You can just print it off and it walks you through, again, morning routines, mindset prompts, and self-care goals. This is something you can use to create intention in showing up looking great and feeling even better. So feel free to hit the link in the comments below to download that. Thank you so much, friend. You are doing an incredible job. You're raising beautiful people. They're going to be game changers. And you're building a legacy of faith and love. Don't ever forget, you matter. I want you to take care of the woman behind the lesson plans. God's not finished glowing you up. Please like this video if it encouraged you. Drop a comment. What is one way that you're going to show up for yourself this week? Share this with the homeschool mom who needs this reminder today. You matter as well. Until next time, peace.